Hi, this video will demonstrate how to create a portfolio using Google Sites, similar to this page where you will have a home page introducing yourself with an image and a section on teaching philosophy and a section on your curriculum vitae or resume, and then a section on your technology integration and how you address the ISTE standards with artifacts and narrative. So let's get started. First, point your browser to http://sites.google.com. Hit enter, and you also need to log into your Google account. So your name should appear somewhere here. You may see a blank if you don't have anything created yet. So first we want to go to the Create button. So click on this Create button, and then we want to choose a template. The best way is to focus on the content and not worry about the template yet. So we're going to use a default blank template. Next is to name your site. So you can use your name or the alias, and we'll see if this site is available. It will let you know, so you can put in the name and then respond to the question below to complete the process of creating a site. Okay, now once you have chosen a site and answer the security question, click on Create to create this site. Okay, now we are at our very first page. To start editing your page, you click on the pencil icon. It says Edit Page. Then you can see the toolbar, so you can start typing your self-introduction here. And if you want to add a picture, and I highly recommend that you add a picture of yourself, you can position your cursor at where you want to insert the image. Then go to Insert Image, and then from here you upload an image from your desktop to choose a picture. Okay, now I have located my picture, so I'm going to choose this and click on Open to upload this picture. And it might take a while depending on the size of your photo. So now I'm going to click OK. And you can see the picture might be too big. So when you click on a picture, there's another toolbar. You can change it to small size, medium size, or L, large. So it depends on how many words you put in your self-introduction. I'm going to copy and paste my self-introduction here, and you can see it gets very long. You can wrap the text around the image and align right to move the image up. Let me make the browser wider so I can see what it looks like. Right now it is still flushed down at the bottom, so what you need to do is to move the image up to where you want the image to be, so you can keep moving up, keep trying. Maybe you can move it to the end of the first line, and make sure the wrap on is selected and align right is selected. So now your image is on the right side and the text is on the left side. So this all depends on your personal preferences. Okay, after you have moved the image to where you are happy and have the text wrap around, you can click Save to save this page. So now you have your very first page of your portfolio ready. Let's create the second page on teaching philosophy. So now click on the icon that say New Page. It has a page with a plus sign. Click on this and then put teaching philosophy or educational philosophy in the space for the name of the page, and you use the default, put the page at the top level, and we'll explain what this means later. So click on Create. Now you have your second page created. Again, it's in the edit mode, so it's ready for you to edit. and I'm going to copy and paste my teaching philosophy from other place that I have prepared. So I'm going to paste my teaching philosophy here, and it's the second page. And you notice there are other features in the second page. You can add attachment or allow people to comment. I like to disable these functions because it's not really a place to invite comments unless you really want feedback. So to remove those extra features, such as adding files or comments, you would want to go to the option menu and choose edit page settings. And then here you can say I don't want any of this. I don't want to allow attachment or comments. And that's it. Let's take a look. So when you save it, it will be a very clean page without additional features. And I also disable with a heading and say teaching philosophy. You might want to bring that back, depending, because when you have more pages, you want to have a distinct heading for that page. So I'm going to go back to page settings. This gives you some more practice. So I want to check the box, say show page title, and save. And now you will see teaching philosophy is back. So now you have learned how to, and the convenient part is the teaching philosophy page is on the sidebar. It was added to the sidebar as a navigation bar automatically. So I can go back to home page and I can come to teaching philosophy page. So it's very convenient for people who is brand new to Google Sites. Let's go to our, let's create our third page, which will be, so let's go to click new page, and this will be your resume or curriculum vitae. Let's put resume for now and click create, and you will see resume has been added to the sidebar already. Again, you can copy and paste from your Word document or other source. So I'm going to paste my resume here. It's a long one. Again, you see there's additional features attached to this page. I want to keep it clean, so I'm going to save this page and again go to the option menu to go to page settings and disable all other page settings. This way, when people browse my page, they see a cleaner page. Okay, now we have 3 pages created. Let's create another one, which is your technology integration page. So go to new page and choose tech integration and create. You're going to do something similar to this where you have the original ISTINET listed, and then on the right side you add a link to your artifact that demonstrate how you have addressed that standard or any of the substandards. And you want to provide a narrative about 100 words and a link to the artifact. So people to demonstrate your proficiency in addressing these standards. So I can just copy this table and then so I'm going to copy this table and go to my portfolio and paste it this way, and then I can remove all the artifacts from the other side. So I have a clean table to work with. And you will add the artifacts and narrative as you create more projects. Now let's save this. So now you have your home page linked to your curriculum CV, curriculum vitae or resume, and teaching philosophy and tech integration projects. Now let's explore other functions. Say if you create a page that you're not happy, you want to delete, you can go to preferences. There are functions for you to move page or delete page. Also, there's page layout where you can change some of the layout. So if you go to edit site layout, you can see you can modify the sidebar or the navigation bar. Also, you can change the name of your site. Go to the option menu and choose manage site. Right now it only has my first name. You can change it to your name's portfolio or something else more attractive. And once you're happy with it, let's see what other feature. You can choose a customized URL. It tells you how much space you have used. You have up to 100 megabytes. And you can delete this site or you can duplicate the site. Now we're done. Okay, so click on Save. And go back to your site by clicking the back button here. Now you have your name here as a site name. And at the end, when you're ready to share this site, go to Share and click on make sure it's public on the web. Anyone on the internet can find and view. If you don't want this, you can change it to anyone with a link. But since this is your public profile, you might as well make it public on the web. So this is the URL I need to copy and post to Edmodo. And that's it.